How mutual funds are valued. Understanding NAV. Mutual funds are valued using a metric known as the net asset value, or the NAV, which represents the per share value of the mutual fund and is calculated by taking the total value of the fund's assets, subtracting liabilities, and then dividing that result by the number of outstanding shares. A market value of securities. The primary assets of a mutual fund are the securities, stocks, bonds, etc. it holds. The market value of these securities is determined by their current prices on the exchange where they are traded. Daily valuation. Mutual funds typically value their assets at the close of each trading day using the closing prices of the securities that they hold. When calculating the total asset value of all the securities in the fund's portfolio are summed up together. This includes any cash or cash equivalents that are held by the fund. Any interest or dividends earned by the fund securities but not yet received is added also to the total asset value. Liabilities of the fund include any fees owed, such as management fees, operating expenses, or any other costs. These liabilities are subtracted from the total assets of the value of the fund to arrive at the net NAV, or net asset value. Calculating the NAV. The NAV is calculated using the following formula. It gives you a per share value. The result is the NAV per share, which represents the value of each share of the mutual fund. Reporting and publication. The daily NAV is calculated at the end of each trading day and is typically published by the next day. It's the price at which investors can buy or sell fund shares. Mutual funds are required to publish their NAV daily and is available through financial news outlets, the fund's website, and other platforms. Since the NAV is based on the market value of the fund's holdings, it can fluctuate daily depending on the performance of the securities in the portfolio. When a fund pays out dividends or capital gains to its investors, the NAV typically drops by the amount that's distributed, as these payouts reduce the fund's assets. Follow for more.